Hi and welcome to Trap Talk TV, your weekly news bulletin power-packed with stories and information that better your business. FTA registered an entry of 5.11 lakh tourists in May this year, marking an impressive growth of 9.2% compared to May last year. Now waitlisted railway tickets can be upgraded to flights at competitive rates. This deal comes in as a part of a collaboration with IRCTC and low-cost carriers SpiceJet and GoAir.
We give the option at the time of chart preparation to the passenger. An email is sent through which passengers can access the IRCTC website, fill in his data and get a ticket. The advantage of purchase of such a ticket through IRCTC is that these tickets are given by airlines at a discounted rates to IRCTC. There is no dynamic pricing despite being the last minute reservation.
9 airlines will be assessing IATA's NDC scheme. Holiday World Tours and Nanhai Tourism Bureau collaborate to promote the offbeat South China Sea island destination, Nanhai.
This time this is full dimensions for the presentation to promote Nanhai tourism. Not only travel agents and airlines and also the societies. We hope the tourism attractive, they can to spread to the whole country of India.
Nanhai is they have a lot of cultures, and we can do a lot of lessons for the students, like the dragon boat lesson, kung fu learning, and also lion dance practice. So this is the reason why we want to promote this place.
Munich Airport has been granted the prestigious 5-star airport designation, making this Bavarian airport the first in Europe to earn this title. Air Pegasus has introduced daily flights from Bengaluru to Kadapa district in Andhra Pradesh from June 7th. The first Royal Caribbean International cruise liner, Quantum of the Seas, comes calling at Kochi. This has reaffirmed the destination's position as an attractive cruise port, giving an incentive for promotion of cruise tourism in India.
You'll see our global effort is making strides. And with third quarter projections, we'll
Blah, blah, blah. I just want to check into my hotel.
On page 104,
I hope I get a king-size bed. I hope I can get a drink.
Get a massage.
Watch a funny movie.
Or go for a swim.
Snacks.
Scented candles.
Zombie movie. Minibar.
chart.
Don't just hope. Know what you're really booking when you book. AccorHotels.com.
Rare grows its portfolio with exquisite hospitality experiences. Their impeccable run continues in several states of India.
We do events like this once a year, especially for the newcomers who've come on board, because it's very important for us to take this this whole bouquet of new hotels to the trade. So this in sense serves that purpose. If you see, we largely call the inbound tour operators, because a lot of the properties listed here are actually with the whole connectivity and everything, it's for the inbound tour operators. But we also do a separate one for the domestic tour operator.
Coming up next is an interactive performance of coffee and art organized by Tourism Victoria to promote Melbourne. With that, it's a wrap on this edition of Trap Talk TV, and do stay connected for more.